Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Red Velvet's Cheesecake Swirl Brownies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. And whisk them really well together to get rid of as much of the lumps as possible. And set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the melted butter, sugar, vanilla extract, Red's gel food coloring, or you can use liquids Red's food coloring, and apple cider vinegar, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the eggs, and whisk them in until they're combined. Add in the dry ingredients and mix them together until they're just combined. And then set it aside for now. And then in another small bowl, add in the softened cream cheese, sugar, egg yolk, vanilla extract, and salt, and mix them together until they're well combined. Grease an 8-inch square baking pan. Pour in about 3/4 of the Red Velvet's brownie batter. Spread it out to the edges. Then pour on the cheesecake mixture that we made. And then pour on the rest of the Red Velvet's brownie batter. Then make a marble effect using a knife or a skewer. Then bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then once done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. And that's how to make Red Velvet's Cheesecake Swirl Brownies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.